Hi, today we're working on lesson 4-7 in the math book, and it starts on page 267. This lesson is working on using a variety of subtraction strategies to solve a problem. So now in the old lessons, we've talked about different ways to do it, and now you get a chance to choose which way you like the best to solve the problems. So on page 267, it says, Jeff has 12 apples. He gives away 6 apples. How many apples are left? Use words, objects, or pictures to explain your work. So, I start at the top. Jeff has 12 apples. So he starts with 12. He gives away 6. So we're going to do 12, take away 6. And for a problem like this, I like to draw the 12 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now I'm going to cross off the 6 that he gave away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I look to see how many are left. And I see 5, 6. So it's 12 take away 6 equals 6. So if we look on page 268, it reviews at the top the different ways that we have practiced doing takeaway. We used a number line and we counted back. 10 take away 3. We start at 3 and we start at 10 and we count back 3. 1, 2, 3, and we end up at 7. So 10 take away 3 is 7. In the middle, we talked about making the 10. So using the 10 frame, we start with 12. So we have 10, 11, 12, and we take away 8. So we take away the 2 to get to 10, and then another 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many are left? 4. So 12 take away 8 equals 4. And then we use the fact families in the last box. You can think of addition to help you solve the subtraction. So here we have 14 take away 6, and you can think to yourself, well, 6 plus what would give me 14? And 6 plus 8 equals 14, so 14 take away 6 equals 8. So now on page 268, it wants you to find the difference, which again is the answer to a subtraction problem. Circle the strategy that you used. So this one, they wanted to make a 10. So I would go ahead and draw 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a 10 frame. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then I'm going to cross off 9. So I'm going to cross off these first to make a 10 and then keep going. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's my 10. 6, 7, 8, 9. And now I look to see how much of that 10 is left, and there's 5, 6. So 15 take away 9 equals 6. So number 2 is 9 take away 7. Now if you notice, we don't even have a number bigger than 10. So making 10 isn't going to work. But I like counting on. I'm going to start at 7 and count on to get to 9. So I make a fist for 7 and I count up until I get to 9. 7, 8, 9. How many fingers are left? 2. So 9 take away 7 equals 2. So that is using count, and it's also kind of using addition to find what that third number is. Number 3, 13 take away 3. So again, since it's more than 10, I could make 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So here's my 10 frame and 3 more. Take away 3. 1, 2, 3. Guess what? I have an entire 10 frame left. So 13 take away 3 is 10. Sorry, there's the bell. 17 take away 8. I may do it my own way. Draw 17 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then I would cross off 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, it probably would have been easier if I'd set these up in 10 frames and then found the 10. I might have also used addition or counted up. When we get the bigger numbers, maybe drawing is not the easiest way to do it. All right, it is now time for you to turn off the video, find the answers any way you want to on page 269. When you're done with 269, you can turn the video back on and I will just quickly write the answers down so you can check. Please do not do this without having done the work yourself first, so that then you can check and see if you did it correctly. All right, so hopefully your page is all filled in, and I'm going to very quickly tell you the differences. Remember the answers. 10, 8 take away 4 is 4, 9 minus 3 equals 6, 18 take away 10 is 8, 14 take away 9 equals 5, 11 take away 2 equals 9. Please check the first row. Number 11, 12 take away 4 equals 8. 16 minus 8 equals 8. 7 minus 7 equals 0. 20 minus 10 equals 10. 13 minus 5 equals 8. And 10 minus 7 equals 3. Please check your answers in the bottom row. All right, number 17. Maya has a box of 16 crayons. 7 crayons are broken. The rest are not broken. How many crayons are not broken? So she has a total of 16 crayons. Number of crayons are not going to be more than that. So that's our biggest answer. So we're going to take away the number that are broken. And then what we have left will be the ones that are not broken. So I'm going to go ahead and count up. I'm going to start at 7 and count up to 16. So 7 is going to be my fist, and I will stop when I get to 16. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then I look to see how many fingers do I have? 9. So 16 take away 7 is 9. All right. So that was my way to count up. All right, on page 270, Holly has 11 books. She has 4 more books than Jack. How many books does Jack have? So Holly has the most, so she's got 11. We'll take away the 4 extra that she has, and that will tell us how much Jack has. So 11 take away 4. So I may think addition and think what plus 4 equals 11, and that answer is 7. So 11 take away 4 equals 7. All right, number 19 will be different for everybody. And it says, what strategy would you use to solve 10 take away 6? So your answer might be very different than mine. We find what is most comfortable for us, and that's what we use the most. Number 20, which addition facts will help you solve 16 take away 9? So if we think about our fact families, we know we have 16, 9, and some other number. So we have to solve this problem to find out what our third number in the fact family is. So again, I'm going to start 9 and count up to 16. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. How many fingers do I have up? 7. So my third number is 7. I can go ahead and cross off any fact that does not have a 16, 9, and 7. If there's any other number, cannot be part of that fact family. So this one I see a 10. That doesn't work. This one I see a 10. That doesn't work. So now these all have 9, 7, and 16. So my 2 small numbers equal the big number. 2 small add-ins equal the big number. So both of these will work as my answer. All right, so once again, I'm going to ask you to turn off the computer, or turn off the video. Go ahead and solve and finish the homework practice, page 271 and 272. When you're done, come back on, and then I will quickly show you the answers. All right, Number 1 it says 11 take away 5, and it tells us think that 11 is close to 10. So that tells me they probably want us to make a 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's my 10 frame. 11. And now we're going to take away 5. So 1, that gets us to the 10. 2, 3, 4, 5. And what's left? 5 plus 1 more, 6. So 11 take away 5 is 6. Number 2. Here it says, can an addition fact I know help me? Now you pretty much have to be comfortable with your addition facts. So with this one, 15 take away 9, I'm going to think something plus 9 equals 15. What plus 9? 6 plus 9. So that would be using addition. But you have to know your addition facts pretty well to be able to do that. All right, let's turn to page 272. Find the difference using any strategy that you like. So, again, I'm going to just give you the answers, and you, of course, could have solved any way you wanted to. 15 take away 7 is 8. 14 take away 5 is 9. 14 take away 9 is 5. Now look at these two. These are actually fact families. Two of the same subtraction. Number 6. Beth finds 13 dolls in her room. 4 of the dolls have curly hair. How many dolls do not have curly hair? So, me being who I am, I like to draw pictures. So I'm going to draw 13 dolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And then 4 of them have curly hair, so I'm going to go ahead and cross off 4. Starting here, 1, 2, 3, gets me down to the 10, 4. So now I started with 13, I took away the 4, and how many are left? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 dolls did not have curly hair. Number 7 is kind of like the other one that we did on the other page. It's now looking for the addition facts that will work, and it does say choose all that apply, which means probably more than one answer will work. So it says Ben has 10 baseballs. Andy has 2 fewer than Ben. How many baseballs does Andy have? Fewer means he has a smaller number. So 10, then 2, and what would be 2 less than 10? Well, let's count backwards. 10, 9, 8. What is our smaller number? 8. So our fact family uses the numbers 10, 2, and 8. So if you see a different number, it cannot be part of the fact family. So this one has a 0. Cannot be part of the fact family. This one has all 3. This one has a 9. Cannot be part of that fact family. This one has the same 3. So now we look to see if these two are correct. 8 plus 2 equals 10. There's our 2 smaller numbers, giving us our larger, so that one works. 2 plus 8, there's our 2 smaller numbers, adding up to the bigger number. So that one works. All right, go ahead and take a picture of your work and please send it to your teacher. Have a great afternoon.